Hello there. Let's get right into it. So the fastest way and probably the easiest way to reset your Rodecaster Pro, as you can see, this is the old version of the Rodecaster Pro. It's not the new Rodecaster Pro 2 or the Duo. This is the old one. So to reset this, all you need to do is go to the settings, and you might want to reset it because you're having an issue with the software. There's a glitch or whatever the case may be. Okay, for me, it's this Bluetooth is not working like it should. So you go to this right here, and then you go to advanced, and then you go to info, and then you see where it says slide to reset. You just slide that over, and then it should prompt you to reset it. That's how you go about it. That's what you're going to do. Slide over, and then it's going to ask you, are you sure? Please be sure that you actually want to reset this, because once you go ahead and reset, it will delete all the stuff that you had set up for your sound bites, and all that stuff will be gone, or any settings that you had on your like for instance for your microphone settings, this will change. This will be changing, especially here. If you had like any noise gate or any deesser or any of these settings, will go back to default. Okay, so make sure that you have all your settings backed up, like you take a picture of it and have that, so that once you reset, you can just easily look at your photos, and then you'll be able to go back and set everything exactly how you had it previously. But that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Let's do it one more time. You go to that settings area, you go to advanced, you go to info, and then you slide this over, and then you hit yes, and then boom, it will reset your Rodecaster Pro. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel.